Interior and graphic design, application and essential skills. Interior design is the design and organization of the interior space of rooms, lines, shapes, textures, furniture, color, and illumination. As a result of combining all these aspects, a unique human habitat arises, characterized by functional convenience, safety, a healthy microclimate, comfort, and artistic attractiveness. Since people spend most of their time under the roof, a well-planned interior plays a significant role in ensuring their psychological comfort. Interior design has a substantial impact on labor productivity, contributes to saving labor costs, and provides people's health and safety. In addition to interior design, there are many types of design, for example, graphic design. The origin of design as an independent professional activity is associated with the development of mass production, technologies, and applied sciences. Although its history is multifaceted and includes facts from the field of architecture, technology, and fine art, nevertheless, the 20th century gave several fundamental historical studies devoted to this profession. Design is both a product of culture, a tool of cultural construction, and a factor that actively forms culture. Graphic design is a means of visual communication, that is, the expression of ideas, meanings, and values through images, fonts, and videos. Galvin claims that graphic design has a broad concept and is used for digital and web design. Graphic design solves many different problems with the help of colors, shapes, compositions, and typography. It is impossible to solve any issues in one way or with one tool, so there are several types of graphic design. Usually, designers specialize in one kind, but now it is necessary to be flexible and delve into all branches of the sphere. The interior designer creates projects of a harmonious environment to improve the living conditions of a person. They make the rooms stylish, beautiful, and at the same time comfortable. To cope with these tasks, they need to have creative abilities, creativity, and knowledge in engineering and construction sciences because they are both an artist and an architect. A graphic designer is engaged in the development of visual media for people. Any artificial environment, whether external, such as a street, or internal, for example, an office or an apartment, is always designed to carry some information to people. This habitat around people constantly relies on graphic design to form a general perception and memorization of a particular place and, ultimately, revitalize and enrich life. Graphic design in the interior introduces a specific image, project, decorative element, or font into the space that makes up a single compositional system to give the interior a comfortable, beautiful, and harmonious space. Interior design is the creation and design of a rational living environment. Today, many design firms in the world organically combine both interior design and graphic design. This allows them to cooperate with the largest companies and brands in the world market, creating unique spaces for them in shops, offices, hotels, and restaurants. They thereby attract customers to the company and adapt brands to the tastes and demands of the public. Designers understand that graphics add significance and recognition to spaces and try to make them unusual and individual by using digital technologies. Graphic design can be created both in two planes and in three-dimensional space. Currently, artificial intelligence is used in the development of interior design and graphic design, which greatly simplifies the work of designers and makes it more efficient. The goal is the aesthetics of the interior, convenience, and ergonomics of the area. The directions in which modern graphic interior designers work are diverse. From restaurants and museums to religious centers, all of them aim to attract and socially adapt people to a new space for them. Graphic designers and interior designers must have essential professional skills. Such skills include the presence of artistic taste and the ability to think originally. In addition, designers of these areas should have creativity and ingenuity, as well as a large amount of knowledge of modern styles, fashion, and culture. Fashion is constantly changing, and designers should always be aware of new fashion trends. For example, at present, fashion is about ecology, the use of materials that mimic natural ones as much as possible. Furthermore, designers must have personal qualities, such as a great desire to work in the field of design, sociability, and good visual perception of objects. It is also essential to be able to see the final result since, without this, it will not be possible to create a straightforward, correct design. In conclusion, the graphic design of the apartments is developed to emphasize the individuality and style of personal space. Performing graphic design of flats, people strive for harmony in the internal space, following the principles of beauty and convenience. Graphic design of apartments is a process in which all the minor details are worked out. Based on their ideas, people can do everything possible to see the house as they would like.